Hello guys, it's AppWiz. How to enable camera access for Steam on your iPhone. This is really handy if you want to scan a QR code to log into your account on other devices. To do this, first open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you reach the list of apps, then find and tap on Steam. At the top of the Steam settings page, make sure the camera option is toggled on. That's the first method to grant camera access. If that doesn't work, there's another way you can do it directly within the Steam app. Tap on the navigation bar at the bottom right. Then, select your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, tap View Profile, then Edit Profile. Next, choose Avatar and select Upload your avatar. When you tap on Photo Library, it should trigger a pop-up asking for permission to use your camera. Simply tap Enable and camera access will be granted for Steam. And that's all you need to do. It's really that simple. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.